crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanya and today is day 90 of the 100-day project. We're getting so close to the end of this project, I can't believe how fast time is going by. So today I'll be sharing with you everything that I've crocheted during days 81 through 90. If you like this kind of video, it really helps me out a lot if you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about these makes in the comments below. Without further ado, let's get on with the crochet. Starting with day 81, I spent the day filming and editing the last check-in video. If you want to check out that video after this one, I'll link the playlist here and in the description. Anyways, after filming, I spent the evening relaxing, making a string of pearls. This is one of the more common plant types I crochet since it's pretty quick to make and it doesn't require any sewing or joining pieces together. The next day, day 82, I completed this string of pearls and used it to complete this rainbow plant pot. I was busy with market prep for most of the day, so this was the perfect project to round out the day. I really love how the vines look against the rainbow background. Day 83 was another major market prep day, with most of my day spent making price signs and finalizing my inventory sheet. In the evening, I started another rainbow plant pot. I really liked how the previous plant pot looked with the horizontal stripes, so I made this one similarly. However, I just used single crochet stitches here, rather than incorporating some treble crochet rows. On day 84, I made a succulent to finish off this plant pot. I really love how this one turned out, even if all the colors of the rainbow aren't represented. I thought that this would use up the rest of the rainbow yarn I had, but surprisingly, I still have a bit left over. It's definitely not enough to make an entire plant pot. Let me know what you think I should make using the leftover yarn. Or do you think it's destined to be added to my scrappy yarn skein? Day 85 was market day. It was my first time at this specific market, but I think it went pretty well. I only sold 105 euros worth of my art, but I'm really happy that 3 plant pots and one of my paintings found new homes. During the market, I decided I wanted to try to be a bit more casual when people visited my table, so I worked on some crochet throughout the day. I grabbed this really pretty variegated skein on my way out the door without any plan of what I was going to make. I ended up starting a shawl since it's a pretty simple project and easy to put down whenever I needed to. It was actually pretty fun crocheting at the market. I found it kept my hands busy and my mind calm. It was also cool seeing how it grabbed the attention of people walking by. The next day, day 86, was a rest and recovery day for me. I spent a little time unpacking my market supplies, but mostly just relaxed with some crochet and YouTube. I worked more on the shawl and ended up finishing the skein. This skein was gifted to me by a friend, so I don't think I'll be able to find more of the same colorway. So I'll need to figure out what color of yarn to add to finish out this project. Let me know if you have any color suggestions. On day 87, I meant to be super productive, but again I found that I just didn't have much energy. So I was gentle with myself and spent some time tidying my office space and painting. In the evening, I was ready for some crochet time, so I started another plant. This time, a spiral vine. I only worked on it a short amount of time before calling it a day. I was busy filming and editing my most recent video on day 88. It's the crochet creator tag, where I answered 10 questions about my crochet journey and preferences. If you want to check that video out, I'll link it here and in the description. During the editing process, I hit a bit of a wall, so I called it a day and picked up my spiral vine plant. I ended up finishing this plant, and I really love how it turned out. I picked this bright green because I don't have many plant pots with this shade. Now I just need to figure out what color plant pot this will go on. Day 89 was another productive day. I finished editing my content creator tag video and then got to work on my beetroot purse commission. I've been filming the process, so keep an eye out for that video sometime in the next month or so. I managed to finish the body of the purse, then started on the root detail and the lid. I wanted to keep crocheting, but my shoulders were asking for a break and my phone died, so I couldn't keep filming. Such is the life of a content creator, I suppose. Anyways, I'm pretty happy with the progress so far on this project. This is about 3 hours into the process, and it's so exciting seeing it get closer to being complete. That brings us to today, day 90. I haven't crocheted anything yet today, but I'll either continue working on the beetroot purse or start another plant pot. Let me know in the comments what you think I should make during these last 10 days of the project, or if you have any questions about the project in general. I'm planning on making a recap video after day 100 where I reflect on the process and answer any questions you may have. If you want to stay up to date with what I've been making, I've been posting a daily update on my Instagram at @artbystephanya. The 100-day project is drawing to a close, but I'll continue posting update videos as well as crochet tutorials and other craft content here on YouTube. I'm aiming to release a new video every week, so if you don't want to miss out, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications. Thanks so much for watching till the end of the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!